Alright everybody, we are walking through HARRAH'S in Laughlin. We're starting by the hotel area here. And there's a Starbucks. We're going counterclockwise, and this is the smoking area. They have a few non-smoking areas around here. Yeah. It's nice here. It's very nice and lit. I like it. But Laughlin is freaking hot. Guy Fieri's El Burro Borracho. So there's this restaurant over here that we ate at last night, Beach Cafe. Service there sucks really bad, and the food is it's alright, not bad. Look at all the new games here. And there's the bar in the middle. Yeah. Player services. And over here is all the table games. Also stars. Table games, and walking over by the Keno area and the sports betting area. And over here is where all the old machines are. I should start playing these games. Here's the poker room. So there's the roulette machine and all the inner block machines over here. And bubble craps machine, minimum $3. Let's go through the high limit area here real quick. High limit slot machines. I hate this chasing game. That big 3-reel. A lot of 3-reels over here. Hopefully the copyright music doesn't... Hopefully I don't have to cut it out. Anyways, so Laughlin, we got here in July, and it's freaking, we got here and it's 118 degrees. The low at nighttime is 94 degrees. You can believe that. We got off the plane and it felt like a damn heater was blowing on us. It was nuts. Well, we came here because we got free flights from Caesars and free hotel. I mean, I wouldn't say it's free. It was like total for 2 people, flight and hotel, staying at Harrah's is $90. I think we just had to pay for tax. But yeah, it was yeah, I can't beat it. I mean, we came here. I guess they're pretty desperate, but it's just freaking hot. I don't even want to go outside to walk. We gotta take like a taxi or something to the other casinos. This place is freaking hot. What's cool is that they got a lot of windows here. A lot of windows to look outside. If you want to see what our room looks like, we got upgraded to a corner suite. I'll try to put the link in the description for our stay here. But the walking tour might come out before our stay. Maybe I'll put a video of our corner suite at the end of this video so you can see what it looks like. We're facing the Colorado River, which is nice. I heard it's cold. Haven't tried it yet. It's cold and clear. Walked out there last night. There was a lot of fish. Hey, I'm gonna walk outside real quick so you can check it out. Walk outside here. Oh, feels like a damn heater on me. Oh my god. Woo! So Harrah's is all the way at the end of the Laughlin strip. So it takes walking distance over to the next casino is 21 minutes in the heat, and I don't know if I can do that. I mean, if I need to, I'll do it, but there's the water taxi area right there, and I think it's $5 one way. You can buy a whole ticket for the whole day. But I haven't gone out of this hotel yet, so whew, holy shit. Pardon my language, sorry about that. Whew. Oh my gosh, it feels so much better in here. Yeah. Yeah, this casino has all the new games. And here's that bar in the middle again. Oh, they got high limit games at the bar. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the smoking area. We'll walk over. We'll continue clockwise over to the non-smoking area. So there's the area that we walked in right there, the hotel check-in. Let's walk counterclockwise through the little alleyway over here to the non-smoking section. Everybody's going out to the beach. Yeah. Oh, sorry for the shakiness. I'm trying to adjust my camera. Okay. This is still the smoking section. Let's take a look outside here. I think the temperature they said today was going to be 116. I don't know how people can do it out here. That's nuts. So this is now the non-smoking section. All the old games over here. Range Steakhouse. And then we are walking close to the North Tower, Central Tower and North Tower. This is where the Range Bar is.
Oh, so you gotta pay though.
So when we got dropped off at the airport, they had a shuttle to pick up as well, and that's where the shuttle drop-off is. You come in and they give you a whole packet with your player's card already, along with your room key. Pretty accommodating, but the only thing is it just took way too long to actually get everybody off the plane and over here. Yeah. I like how they have a mixture of old games and new games all in between each other. Yeah. Look at this decor. Little shop of horrors. So there's your casino. That's your casino walkthrough. Alright everybody, that was HARRAH'S in Laughlin. Thank you for watching. Tune in for the next episode for the other hotel casinos in Laughlin. Yep. And watch to the end of the video for a view of our room along with the corner suite and the room view. Yep. Here's an extra part of a walkthrough. So we're gonna walk over to the arcade area. Arcade area for kids. So going over to the North Tower, where we're staying, they have smash burger, peanut pizza, red mango smoothie, and they also have Cinnabon down there. Red mango. Cinnabon. So Red Tower entrance, the hotel's over there, and then this is where the arcade is. If you want to see the arcade, might as well, huh? Kids area. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. I like it. Oh, they also have a shuttle between hotels, and it goes every 2 hours starting at 10 o'clock between here and Tropicana, just so everybody knows. Wow, you think this machine actually worked pretty well? there's nothing in there. Alright. Okay, stay tuned for the rest of the video. You're gonna see the corner suite that we have with the view. Alright, join me. Thank you for watching. So yeah, we are on the 16th floor. Go, 16. 16th floor. We got upgraded to a corner suite because our bathroom flooded. Ooh, 'cause I'm over here. Here we go. All the way in the corner. So here is our corner view of Laughlin. There you go. Those are the hotels and the casinos, and it takes 21 minutes to walk there. I'm not walking in this heat. So, we gotta take a water taxi down there, or take a taxi. I don't know. Yep, this is our suite that I was telling you about. Corner suite, because I flooded the other one.